How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs on my 2008 Toyota Yaris. So I got some new spark plugs. These are NGK spark plugs. Yep. And then I got the spark plug socket. Cars here, Dad's Corvette's out there. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, cover's got to come off. Be a little hard because then this strut bar is in the way, but well, should be easy. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and this cover should just come right off. So go. Alright, this is going to be hard because this bar is in the way. Yep. First things first, I'm going to disconnect all these connectors to each spark plug. Do that one by one. Oh, I just broke one of the clips. Oh, broke it again. Alright, so spark plug is removed. Alright. And do one at a time. We'll start with this one and go one at a time. Spark plug socket with the long extension. We're gonna stick this in there. Feel it. Alright, here's the old spark plug. So you can see the gap is a lot bigger. So let's compare it to a brand new one. So here we have a brand new spark plug. Just open this up. Alright, so we're going to install a new one. So, same thing. Take the spark plug, put it in here. You can see it's magnetic. It just holds it. We're going to thread this into place by hand first. And then we'll torque it down. Alright, one thing I forgot to add. Just a little bit of anti-seize on top of threads. So, yeah. So right here. not too much. Just spray it around. Yep. Right. Then we're gonna put it back in. Dang. Look how dirty that is. So, need to just zip tie these two because the clip broke off. So I just want to make sure, because they can just easily slide off like that. So you just want to zip tie it so they don't come off. So this and this one. Alright, the zip ties are in. So this won't come out. So just wrapping around here. Same with this one. Yeah. It's all good. Time to start up. So it looks like the spark plug is working. Normally, whenever I start my car, it would idle pretty low, like near like 5,000 RPM. and my car would shake a lot. Like it would shake at stoplights and all that. But right now it's idling just under 10,000, 1,000 RPM. So seems like it solved it. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, spark plugs solved my shaking issue in my engine, and we'll see for now, but as of right now it works good. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.